This is a series of videos. Please refer to methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product. The Monstera bookmarks. These two Monstera bookmarks are exactly the same but in different colors. We'll demonstrate one of them. Please refer to the same methods to complete the other one by yourself. If you are not familiar with the basic stitches, you can watch the tutorial videos first and practice the basic stitches with the practice yarn in the kit. First, use the corresponding yarn to crochet the leaf wing. Working into a chain, make a slip knot first in this way. Put the crochet hook into the loop and tighten the loop. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to your index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger.
Working into a chain. First, make slip knot. Make loop around your middle finger and index finger. Pull the yarn out between the middle finger and the ring finger, and then press it with your fingers. We can see an X shape is formed on the front side. We have two yarns on index finger. Pull the right one to make it cross over the left one. Okay. Then pull the left yarn out like this. Tighten the yarn. A slip knot is made. Put the hook into the loop and pull the longer yarn to tighten the loop. Then wrap the yarn around your little finger and bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with thumb and middle finger.
We need to work 30 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
We'll start working chain stitches. Yarn on the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
Such a V shape on the side stands for one stitch. Continue to work 29 more chain stitches in the same way. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The second chain stitch is down. Two V shapes on the side stands for two chain stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The third chain stitch is down. Three V shapes on the side stands for three chain stitches. The loop on the hook is not counted as one stitch. Continue to work chain stitches. Finish 30 chain stitches in total. Ten chain stitches are done. Please complete the rest 20 chain stitches in the same way by yourself. Now 30 chain stitches are done. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and start to work 28 single crochets from the second chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch. This is the second chain stitch. We'll work the first single crochet through the left loop of the second chain stitch. Insert hook into the left loop of the second chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet.
Insert hook into the back loop of the second chain. Pull up a loop. Okay, there are 2 loops on the hook now. Yarn on the hook, pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Place a marker in the first single crochet.
A V shape is also formed on the side. Place a marker in the first stitch through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Continue to work single crochets. We need to finish 28 single crochets in total. Insert hook into the left loop of the next chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. 2 V shapes on the side stand for 2 single crochets. The loop on the hook is not counted as 1 stitch. Insert hook into the left loop of the next chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. There are 3 V shapes on the side. The 4th single crochet. Insert hook into the left loop of the next chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on hook. The 4th single crochet is done. There are 4 V shapes on the side. Continue to work single crochets through the left loops of the chain. We need to finish 28 single crochets in total. Eight single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 20 single crochets in the same way. "28 single crochets are done. Then we'll work 3 single crochets in the last chain stitch. Work the first single crochet. Work the second single crochet in the same stitch. Put the yarn tail on the right side of the crochet hook. Then work the third single crochet in the same stitch. Put this yarn above the hook. Three single crochets in the same stitch are completed. Then we are going to work 5 single crochets on the other side of the chain. Each chain stitch has 2 loops. We have worked through the loops on one side of the chain. Now we need to work through the other side of the chain. Work 5 single crochets. Five single crochets are done. Then we'll crochet the left half of the leaf.